So your US passport has expired and you have an idea of how to renew it, but you know that it takes so much time and effort and you're struggling and have no time to waste on such matters. Well, you will only need a few minutes to figure out how to fill out Form DS-82 US Passport Renewal Application. What's more, we'll be able to fill it out even faster with Instafill AI. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be figuring out how to fill out Form DS-82 US Passport Renewal Application. A DS-82 form is a document used by the US Department of State for renewing an expired passport. This form can only be used if you currently have your passport, you're over the age of 16 when it was used, and your name is the same as it appears on the expired passport. In this case, we are using the DS-82 form provided by the United States Department of State. The DS-82 form can be found online at ds82.instafill.ai. I'll be sharing you the link below in the comments, or through the Department of State office. So let's dive into the form. The first step is completing the form is to indicate whether you're applying for a passport book, card, or both. In lines 1 through 9, you must provide your name and contact information. Ensure that all information is accurate, placing a letter or digit in each individual box, as it is how it will appear on your passport. Provide your name, address, phone number, social security number, and any other names or aliases you go by. Next, you must provide the name and information as it appears on your expired passport. Provide this information in box 10 and any name change information in box 11. In the box with a face silhouette, you must staple in 2-inch by 2-inch facial pictures to your application. Passport photos can be taken at many photography places, or you can use your own as long as it follows the passport photo guidelines. Do not write in the bottom box on page 1. It is for official use only. Skip to the second page and again fill in your name and contact information. In lines 20 through 16, you must provide your height, hair color, eye color, occupation, and employer or school. Provide an emergency contact in box 19 and any travel plans you may have in box 20. Make sure to check that all pages are signed and certified accurately, since incorrect information can cause delays or even rejections. As mentioned, you can fill out Form DS-82 even faster and accurate using Instafill AI. All you need is to provide necessary information to Instafill and wait just a few seconds while AI fill out the form for you accurately and error-free. Once it's done, download the form, sign it, and send it to your form to the department state along with your expired passport and the required fee. Keep a copy of your form for future reference and wait for your renewed passport to come in the mail. Now, if you find this video useful, let me know by sharing it with whoever you want. And to watch more videos like that, please make sure to like it and subscribe to our channel. And this is goodbye for now. Hope to see you.